Okay, so here we talk about 3.6 is dividing decimals by whole numbers. So how do we divide decimals by whole numbers? So here is the objective. So what is the objective here? The objective is that we want to learn to divide decimals by whole numbers. So we want to learn to divide decimals by whole numbers. Okay, so here, how do we do it? We want to try to find each quotient. Okay, so 0.75 divided by 5. So here we want to place a decimal point in the quotient directly above the decimal point with the decimal point in the dividend, okay, and divide as you would with the whole numbers. So here I just divide as the whole number, but at first I want to place the decimal point directly on top of it. I want to place decimal point in the quotient directly above the decimal point in the dividend. Okay, so now, and then now divide as a whole number. So 5, 1, 5, 25, 5 times 5 is 25. So this is 0. So the answer is 0.15. Later on, I have 2.52 divided by 3. Then I move the decimal point right on top. And then as if I am doing the division for the whole number. 8 times 3 is 24. 4 times 3 is 12. So the answer here is 0.84. So what we want to try to do is that we want to place the decimal point in the quotient directly above the decimal point in the dividend. And then we divide as we would with the whole numbers. And then now I want to evaluate 0.435 divided by x. So here I have 0.435 divided by 3. So place the decimal point directly above. And then there's a 0, 3 ones, 3, 13, 4 times 3 is 12, 15, 5 times 3 is 15. So this is 0.145. And then I want to do 0.435 divided by 15. Directly place the decimal point on top, 0.0, and then I get 2, 30, 135, 4, not 4, 9, 13. So here this is 0.029. Okay? So here is a question. So Emily and 2 of her friends are making pottery using clay, glaze, and paint. So the materials cost 11.61 if they share the cost equally. So share the cost equally, Emily and 2 of her friends, so there's 3 people. And how much does each person pay? So 11.61 divided by 3 people. So 3 times 3 is 9, 26, 8 times 3 is 24, 21, 7 times 3 is 21. So place the decimal point directly on top of it. So the answer is 3.87.